Just know that's the weak hand rinse. So we might be able to find an opportunity to join any sucker shorts that get pummeled on the way out. So what we're looking for is size. Okay, so we know who this is. It's not the same player that I was picking out before, but that is another algo who we know. But this is totally machine based. So we are getting a move here, starting to exhibit some of the behaviors that we do like to work with. So what we're looking for is when we start to see evidence that some of the other players have digested the minutes, new larger size short inventory just coming in, that sort of sufficient volume that if this starts to get hurt, we can take the other side of it. So this is new, so we might get another go here. All right, so all of that was about, I know that in hindsight, you look back here and go, oh, if I just bought there. But this was all about waiting for the right participants to come in, like getting in here, what was your risk? This was key as well. That change, that little observation, that nuance. And remember, we saw someone take the bait there and go and sell. And this all plays into what we were talking about before with prep, with a bit of a push down first, weekend, longs. 1, 2, this is the last one that we should be able to get something out of. And in the words of James Brown,
shake your money maker, shake your money maker.
Third swing, not looking for something that moves as much as this second one. So there we go. That's something to get out on. Have a look how the bid and offer now are just indicative of the end of a move. It doesn't matter about whether or not you get in on this first one. Remember, this is not the first one or this one. This is when the market started changing when I was talking about getting in here. But if you missed that and you picked up on this, that's fine. Okay, so outcome known, like everyone can see what's going on. So the conviction to getting involved in that's built on what we did in prep. You're not even going to go near it when you've just seen the market tank, unless you've got all of those things underlying that create the foundation for why you'd want to get long to start with.